When you are stranded on the side of the road with a flat tire, having a reliable tire repair kit can be a real lifesaver. Today, we are diving into the top 10 tire repair kits you can get in 2024, each designed to help you get back on the road quickly and efficiently. Whether you are a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, we have got you covered. Let's dive in. At the first position of our list, we have AUTOWN Tire Repair Kit with 68 pieces. This product is a comprehensive solution for tackling any tire issues you might face. This kit is thoughtfully designed to cater to a variety of tire problems, making it a versatile choice for both professionals and casual users. The kit includes an array of tools such as tire plugs, remaining tools, and insertion tools, all neatly organized in a durable, portable carrying case. The quality of the tools is impressive, with each piece crafted from high-grade materials, ensuring long-lasting durability and reliability. The tire plugs are particularly noteworthy as they provide a secure seal that can effectively handle different types of punctures. The remaining and insertion tools are ergonomically designed for ease of use, allowing for a smooth and efficient repair process. Additionally, the kit includes a user-friendly instruction manual that guides you through the repair process, making it ideal for those who may not have extensive experience with tire repairs. At number 2, we have the BETOOLL Universal Tire Repair Kit. With its 24 pieces, it's a compact and efficient solution for repairing punctures. This kit is designed with simplicity and effectiveness in mind, making it suitable for both novice users and experienced mechanics. The compact design ensures that it is easy to store in your vehicle without taking up too much space. This kit includes essential tools such as tire plugs, a remaining tool, and a plug insertion tool, all of which are made from high-quality materials for durability. The tire plugs provided are highly effective at sealing punctures, ensuring a reliable repair. The tools are well designed with comfortable grips and a sturdy build that makes them easy to handle during the repairing process. At number 3, we have the AUTOWN Flat Tire Repair Kit featuring 31 pieces. This product is another excellent option for handling tire repairs. This kit is designed to provide a balance of versatility and convenience, making it suitable for a wide range of tire issues. It includes a variety of tools such as tire plugs, a remaining tool, and a plug insertion tool, all organized in a sturdy and portable case. The tools in this kit are made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and reliability. The tire plugs are particularly effective at sealing punctures, while the remaining and insertion tools are designed for ease of use. The ergonomic design of these tools helps facilitate a smooth repair process, making it accessible even for those who may not be experienced with their repairs. At number 4, we have the Rhino USA Tire Plug Repair Kit. This kit is a top-tier choice for those seeking an extensive and high-quality repair kit. With 86 pieces included, this kit offers a comprehensive range of tools and accessories to handle a variety of tire issues. The kit comes with multiple tire plugs, a heavy-duty remaining tool, and a plug insertion tool, all housed in a rugged and durable case. The quality of the Rhino USA kit is evident in its design and performance. The tools are made from premium materials, ensuring longevity and reliability. The tire plugs provided are highly effective at sealing punctures, and the remaining and insertion tools are built for ease of use, featuring comfortable grips and a solid construction. The kit also includes additional accessories such as a valve core tool and a pair of gloves, adding to its overall utility. The number 5 position is dominated by CKAuto Universal Tire Repair Kit. This kit offers a well-rounded solution for addressing tire punctures and other issues. With 36 pieces included, this kit provides a variety of tools and accessories to handle different types of tire repairs. It comes with tire plugs, a remaining tool, and a plug insertion tool, all neatly organized in a sturdy carrying case. The quality of the tools in the CKAuto kit is impressive, with each piece crafted from high-grade materials for durability. The tire plugs are designed to provide a secure and lasting seal, while the remaining and insertion tools are built for ease of use, featuring ergonomic handles that ensure a comfortable grip. The kit is also praised for its ease of storage and portability, making it a convenient option for keeping in a vehicle. Next up, number 6, we have HolaKit Tire Plug Kit featuring 22 pieces. This product is a compact and efficient solution for tire repairs. This kit is designed to be user-friendly and effective, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. It includes essential tools such as tire plugs, a remaining tool, and a plug insertion tool, all of which are housed in a portable carrying case. The tools in the HolaKit kit are made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and reliability. The tire plugs are effective at sealing punctures, while the remaining and insertion tools are designed for ease of use, featuring comfortable grips that facilitate a smooth repair process. The compact design of this kit makes it easy to store in your vehicle, providing a practical solution for handling tire issues. At the 7th position of our list, we have TOOLUXE 50002L Tire Repair Kit. With 35 pieces, This product is a versatile and well-designed option for tackling tire repairs. This kit includes a variety of tools such as tire plugs, a remaining tool, and a plug insertion tool, all housed in a double carrying case. The tools are made from high-quality materials, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. The TOOLUXE kit is known for its ease of use, with each tool designed to facilitate a smooth repair process. The tire plugs are effective at sealing punctures, while the remaining and insertion tools feature ergonomic handles that provide a comfortable grip. The kit also includes additional accessories such as a valve core tool and a pair of gloves, adding to its overall utility. At number 8, we have Grand PITSTOP Tubeless Tire Gun Repair Kit with 36 pieces. This product is a specialized option for handling tubeless tires. This kit includes a range of tools and accessories designed to address common tire issues, including a tire gun, tire plugs, and remaining tools, all housed in a rugged carrying case. The quality of the Grand PITSTOP kit is evident in its design and performance. The tire gun is particularly noteworthy as it provides a precise and efficient way to handle tubeless tire repairs. The tire plugs and remaining tools are made from high-grade materials, ensuring durability and reliability. The ergonomic design of the tools makes them easy to use even for those who may not have extensive experience with tire repairs. Next up at number 9, we have TILIBOTE Tire Repair Kit featuring 46 pieces. This product offers a comprehensive solution for handling a variety of tire issues. This kit includes a wide range of tools and accessories such as tire plugs, a remaining tool, and a plug insertion tool, all organized in a steady carrying case. The quality of the tools in the TILIBOTE kit is impressive, with each piece crafted from durable materials to ensure long-lasting performance. The tire plugs are effective at sealing punctures, while the remaining and insertion tools are designed for ease of use, featuring comfortable grips that make the repair process more efficient. The kit also includes additional accessories such as a valve core tool and a pair of gloves, adding to its overall utility. Last but certainly not least, finally at number 10, we have the BETOOLL Tire Repair Kit with 35 pieces. This product is a practical and effective solution for addressing tire punctures. This kit includes essential tools such as tire plugs, a remaining tool, and a plug insertion tool, all housed in a double carrying case. The tools are made from high-quality materials, ensuring reliability and longevity. The BETOOLL kit is known for its user-friendly design, with each tool crafted to facilitate a smooth and efficient repair process. The tire plugs are effective at sealing punctures, while the remaining and insertion tools feature ergonomic handles that provide a comfortable grip. The compact and portable design of this kit makes it easy to store in your vehicle, offering a convenient solution for handling tire issues. Thanks for watching our rundown of the top 10 tire repairing kits for 2024. Whether you are looking for something compact and straightforward or a more comprehensive kit with all the bells and whistles, there's an option here that will fit your needs. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more reviews and tips. Drive safe and stay prepared.